In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install an expert advisor on your MetaTrader 4 platform, okay, MT4 platform, and I'm going to be using one of my proprietary expert advisor, Algo, or artificial intelligence or robot or whatever you might call it. I'm going to be using SniperBot as a case study for this video. By the way, if you just stumbled on this video and you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, do me a favor, smash on that subscribe button and like this video, share with your friend. And if you have any question, do not hesitate to leave your question at the comment section below this video. Okay, I really appreciate your time, so I'm going to give you 5 seconds to do that and we'll dive into this tutorial. So, all right, so as I said, I'm going to be using SniperBot to install. Now, for you to install Expert Advisor, it is recommended that you use a VPS. A VPS is a virtual private server, okay? It's like a remote computer from your home, okay? Like, this is my home office. I have about 5-6 computers here. I live in the United States, but at the same time, I still prefer to use VPS for any robot because, I mean, it just makes sense. Number one, the latency. Number two, the speed. Number three, the processor, and so many other factors. Like, for instance, I'm using my computer right now to create these videos and do other things and other softwares run at the background of the computer. But if you are using a server, you are using a VPS, you will dedicate that strictly for your trading or for your EA or for that particular terminal. So if you don't have any VPS of your own, at the description of this video, I'm going to leave the link to some of the VPS that I use. If you can check it out, I get paid a commission if you decide to use any of them, and some of them I just give you the direct link to the website. Okay, so I assume you have your VPS. It is also assumed that by now you have the EA that you want to install. And by the way, the steps I'm going to be using or following in this video, you can use for any expert advisor, any robot at all. Okay, so but I'm going to be using SniperBot EA. So it's assumed that you have possibly made your payment or and you have access to the download and you've downloaded the folder, you have unzipped the folder. So like right now, as a expert advisor, as you can see, .ex4, that is for MetaTrader 4. There's a different file that you will have for MetaTrader 5 if the EA works for MetaTrader 5. So in this case, I'm going to be copying, as you can see right there, I'm going to copy that file. That is the SniperBot EA. I copy that one right there. Then I will go to my VPS. Okay, I'm going to be using this MetaTrader 4. This is a TFF, True Forex Funds platform. So I will go to File, then Open Data Folder. Okay, File, Open Data Folder, and double click on MQL4, and you will see Experts. You will see Experts folder. So right inside that Expert folder, I will highlight all these ones and delete all those files. Then I will right click and I will paste the file. Once again, you copy the file, you go to your MT4, you go to File, then Open Data Folder, then you go to your MQL4 and you go to Experts folder and you will paste that file right there. Okay, that is what I put right there. So then you go back to your file, and if you have a preset file, like in this case, if you purchase a SniperBot EA, you will have access to our set files, okay, that we have. So you can you get access to all of these and the video, the tutorial videos at the download file page. So right now I'm going to copy this set file. So in case you want to use set file, you will copy that. And if you want to use a default value for any EA, you don't have to copy any set file. But in this case, I'm going to be copying this set file. So I right click, I will copy that, and I will go back to my VPS. So this is my VPS, and the same step. You go to your MetaTrader 4, you go to File, you go to Open Data Folder, you go to MQL4. But in this case, instead of going to Experts, you will go to presets, okay, preset folder, then I'm going to paste it right there. Okay, so now is the two files are pasted there. You're going to right click on the expert tab right there at the navigator window, then you will refresh. Okay, so once you refresh, you can either refresh or you close the MT4 totally and then just restart it. So now I've reset it, and now let's copy. So you expand this, as you can see right there, the SniperBot EA is right there. By the way, if you need a copy of this, the link should be also at the description of this video, and that will be www.sniperbotea.com. Okay, you can visit that to get yourself a copy. I mean, this bot marks like charm. Okay, so now let's continue. You right click and then just click on attach to a chart. So right there, so then you go to your input. In this case, I'm going to be using a set file. Okay, so I will just click on load. So load, and this is the set file that I'm going to be using. Remember, I'm using US Tari. So in this case, I'm going to be changing this to 1.0. If you are using this to trade gold, the settings is different. The settings is different, but because this is US Tari, I'm going to be adding extra 0 to the take profit right here. The trailing stop loss, I'm going to be adding 0, and the initial stop loss, I'm going to be adding 0. Actually, initial stop loss I can do like 20, so that's like 2000 right there. So these are the settings. You will get the settings, the set files also when you get your own file. So now the magic number, I'm going to be changing my magic number. I mean, you can use any number that is very unique to you. Now, this magic number makes your trade unique. Okay, so it doesn't look like you are copying any other person's trade. And by the way, there's another separate video about the properties of this EA, how to use it. But this video is just all about how to install an expert advisor. Okay, now this pattern also, because this EA, now there are 4 types of EA. Okay, make sure you check my YouTube channel. You will see the video about these types right there. There are some EAs that trade breakouts. There are some that are trend trading. There are some that are reverse trading. There are some that are edging, and so on and so forth. So you need to know, the type of EA that you are using. So in this case, now this is a trend trading expert advisor. So I'm going to be changing this pattern also to 1000. And the reason is that, when this EA opens a trade and your trade goes against you, so the moment it goes against you with 100 pips, it's going to open another position. Okay, because I'm using this to also trade US Tari. Okay, you can use this to trade US Tari. If this is good, okay, I'm going to leave it with the way it is for this time. It's going to work 24/5. But because this is to trade indices, so I'm going to be changing this to 16, and I'm going to change this to 30, and I'm going to change this to 22, and like that. So I'm just going to be using it to trade when the bell rings. Okay, the opening bell session of the New York market session. That's what I'm going to be using it for. Then don't forget, also common, we want to check this allow live trading. Allow live trading, you check that. Now you have made a change, okay, or you have made some changes to this file. So what you want to do, you want to save it. Okay, you want to save it, call it let's say new. I'm going to call it new or SniperBot. You want to save that set file so that next time you don't have to you don't have to do it all over again. You just copy or you just load the set file. So SniperBot, and I'm using 15 minutes chart, and I'm going to put was that US Tari. So that is how you name your set file. So anytime you want to use it, okay, this is what this is meant for, and I'm going to click OK. So that is it right there. You've already clicked OK. If you click on auto trade, as you can see, it's asking me enter SniperBot license key. Now, if you have purchased your own copy of a SniperBot, then you need to send us an email. Okay, the email address, you must have received that, or you just sent to support@sniperbotea.com. Now you will get access to your EA, your own activation key. Okay, you have two types of license key. There's one for annual, there's one for lifetime. So in this case now, I'm going to be copying my license to this window, and I will be back in a second. All right, so now I have pasted it, and as you can see, it's ready to roll, and now it's working. Don't forget, you are using your you're using VPS. Make sure that this auto trading tab is always on, and based on the settings, you see everything. You see the smiling face is right there, and it's ready to go. That is how to, install an expert advisor. Just in case you are curious about how to get yourself a copy of this robot, all you have to do is go to www.sniperbotea.com. And by the way, I appreciate your time, and in case you have not liked this video, do me a favor, smash on that subscribe button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, share with your friend, and if you have any question, do not hesitate to leave your question at the comment section of this video, and I promise I'm going to reply. Okay, once again, thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Make sure you don't leave. I mean, you want to watch video anyway, so why don't you just spend time, watch some video over here, and if you have any question, come on, hit me up, and I will see you in my next video.
Are you ready to change your career, or are you looking to make extra income outside what you are currently making? Do you belong to one of these groups? 1. You've been hearing about cryptocurrencies or blockchain technology, but you don't have a clue how to get started. 2. You've been hearing about Forex trading, but you have no clue how to make money with it. 3. You have lost your hard-earned money into crypto sharks or Forex sharks. 4. You are sick and tired of your job and you want your freedom? The Forex Apostle Mentoring Program is the global leader in Forex, stocks, and crypto education. As a disciple of the Forex Apostle, you gain skills that you need to succeed in this new economy. Get more than just extra income. Start living life on your term and at your own design. Join the community of like-minded people working towards the same goal as you. Become a Forex disciple today. Visit www.theforexapostlementoring.com to join us.